CTE stands for Career Technical Education, and it's a model of education that actually begins with the end in mind. What's the end career that the student is looking for? They want to be a doctor, they want to be a scientist, great. Now let's backwards plan so that they can be taking meaningful courses in high school and they can have an informed decision when they choose their post-secondary plans. We're aiming for the trifecta: high skill, high wage, high demand careers. And we look at labor market information so that we can figure out what that's going to be. We have a sequence of courses, 3 courses for our students to be what we call completers in career technical education. The intro course, what we call the concentrator course, and then what we call the capstone course. And what we really want to do is give students a warm handoff to whatever their next post-secondary step is. Our students are getting applied academics in a CTE pathway. It's not just theoretical. Our engineering students are learning the math because they're doing the math. We've come a long way from career technical education being for the non-college bound. We really are looking at all of our students and giving them work-based learning experience, whether it's bringing in special speakers, doing job shadows, or getting on-the-job training so that they know what it's going to be like. We've grown a lot, and we're ready to take all students, regardless of what their plans are.